Welcome to Atlas Brain and Spine in sunny Upland, California. We are a chiropractic office specializing in the upper cervical chiropractic protocol known as Nucca. I'm Dr. Kyle Murray, owner and one of the doctors here at Atlas Brain and Spine. This here is the waiting room. This is where you will be resting and relaxing until we can get you seen by one of our doctors. This is one of our 3 exam rooms. This is where all the corrections take place. Now, what a correction looks like in our office is different because we are a Nucca office. That is an upper cervical chiropractic approach to bring the first bone and neck back to its proper position. With our corrections, there's no popping or cracking and there's no twisting or turning. So we get the first bone and neck back to its proper alignment by adding in a gentle force that nudges the atlas right where it needs to be along the vector that we've calculated from your x-rays. By correcting the first bone and neck, getting it back to its proper position, taking pressure off of the brainstem and the nervous system, your body is able to then begin that healing process by restoring the brain and body connection.